Hello, very good morning from the day 4, and here we are in Mumbai, and we just started to roam around Mumbai. So welcome back, welcoming you all. Good morning Mumbai.
Good morning, Mumbai.
Welcome to the city of dreams, Mumbai. In today's video, we are taking you on an epic one-day journey to explore the top must-visit places in Mumbai.
So guys, we are just in front of the CST, Mumbai CST. You can see. That's it. അറിഞ്ഞൂടാ, അങ്ങോട്ടില്ല, ഇതോ നോ ലെഫ്റ്റ്.
The first stop, Mumbai CST or Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. This UNESCO World Heritage Site isn't just a railway station. It's a masterpiece of Victorian Gothic architecture. Over 3 million people pass through here every day, making it one of the busiest train stations in the world.
സ്ട്രൈറ്റ് പോവാം. This is a common scene here in Mumbai. It's full of taxis. See?
Juhu Beach, one of Mumbai's most famous hangout spots, is known for its street food and stunning sunsets. But today, the scorching afternoon heat kept us away from the sand. The Basilica of Mount Mary, Mumbai's beloved pilgrimage site, was unfortunately closed for renovation. This 18th century church is known for its miraculous healing stories and breathtaking sea-facing location.
And here it is, the Bandra beach. Identity. Oh, this is the 220i, man. Such a cute BMW, a small one in their series. I just love it.
Now let's head over to Mannat, the iconic residence of Bollywood superstar Shah, the SRK. Fans from all over gather here hoping to catch a glimpse of the king of Bollywood. If you are a movie buff, this is a must-visit spot.
All right, let's see what's here in this prohibited area.
Now, let's visit a lesser known yet spiritually significant place, Jalal Shah Murad Shah Baba Dargah. This peaceful shrine is a hidden gem where many visitors come to find solace and peace. A perfect place to connect with Mumbai's diverse culture. From here, take in the stunning view of the Atal Setu, India's longest sea bridge spanning about 22 kilometers. This 6-lane bridge connects South Mumbai to Navi Mumbai, significantly enhancing connectivity between these regions. One of Mumbai's most iconic landmarks, Haji Ali Dargah. This stunning mosque is located right in the middle of the Arabian Sea and is connected by a narrow walkway. The views are mesmerizing, and the spiritual aura here is truly something special.
The gateway of India, but there is one trouble, like the visitors time is from 7 to 5, so the time is already 6, and I'm not sure they will allow us to enter. വണ്ടി എവിടെ വയ്ക്കും? I think it's still open and people can go in, but the issue is with the parking.
And here we are at the legendary Gateway of India. Built in 1924, this grand archway stands as a symbol of Mumbai's rich history. It was originally built to welcome King George V and the Queen Mary to India. Today, it's one of the most visited landmarks in the city. Right next to the Gateway of India is the iconic Taj Mahal Palace Hotel. This luxurious hotel has hosted celebrities, royals, and world leaders. This was one of the key sites targeted during the 26/11 Mumbai attacks. The 26/11 attacks remain one of India's darkest chapters, but the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel stands as a symbol of Mumbai's resilience and strength.
അടിപൊളി അവനെ ഡോറ് തുറക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
Our final stop, Nariman Point and Marine Drive. This is the perfect place to end your day in Mumbai. Walk along the Queen's Necklace, feel the sea breeze, and watch the city lights come alive. It's the ultimate spot for a relaxed evening with an unbeatable view.
Today it's the 6th day of our All India bike tour, and we just started from Mumbai heading to Aurangabad at 6 o'clock in the morning, and we have to cover 345 kilometers today to reach Aurangabad, which is showing, Google Maps is showing like it will take somewhere around 5.5 hours. So including our rest stops and all, we are expecting to reach Aurangabad within 7.5 hours or 8 hours. That means in the afternoon or by 2:30 or 3 o'clock we should be reaching Aurangabad. Back to around 5. So Jitin was feeling sleepy, so we stopped for some time, had some water and all, chit chats, and then we swapped our bikes. So now we have 216 kilometers, which will be according to Google need to be covered in 4 hours and 14 minutes. But when we consider having drinks and food and petrol if needed, and it will take like 1 more hour. So hopefully we are thinking of reaching there by 3 or 3:30 Aurangabad. Better to keep some distance always, especially with heavy vehicles, because what's inside and what is coming out of it we cannot predict. Yeah. Oh, you see? ജസ്റ്റ് മിസ് ചെയ്യാൻ. എനിക്കൊന്നും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല, ജസ്റ്റ് അങ്ങ് ചാടി ഞാൻ അങ്ങ് പോയി എടുത്തു. ഡ്രൈവർ ഉറങ്ങിപ്പോയതാണ്. Guys, just now happened, and I missed this one in a very fraction of second. Just missed it, otherwise would have been part of this accident. They just escaped. They got hit, but they are okay, these two. And it was a very narrow escape for me.
That was an unexpected one. A car from the opposite lane lost control, flipped over the divider and came directly at us. We were cruising at around 100 or 110 km per hour. I was leading and I saw it coming. Quickly shifted down the gear and throttled hard to escape. Jitin, riding behind me, pulled over just in time. It was a hairline miss, a moment of sheer luck and God's grace.
Yes, here we are in Aurangabad. This is Shivaji statue, and we got a rider, and he helped us. His name is Shah. The connection I got to Shah was through Shiny Rajkumar. She helped me. She sent me his number, and he is such a lovely guy. We talked a lot, like for the last 1 or 2 hours. I and Jitin, we both were with him. We were talking about routes and trips, and yeah, it was fun. We had food, discussions. It was totally nice. We were even searching for some rooms and all. Still not finalized, but yeah, we were discussing about it, and he suggested some nice routes. I mean, easy route to Bibi Ka Maqbara. This is Bibi Ka Maqbara. We will go inside, but first we need to go for parking.
So this is Bibi Ka Maqbara, often called the mini Taj Mahal. Built by Aurangzeb's son, it was meant to rival the Taj, but holds its own charm with intricate Mughal architecture and peaceful surroundings.